Parent tip time for these awesome bean bags that are in your instrument pack. Some might be textured or different colors. I absolutely love the versatility of bean bags for our music therapy groups and sessions because they can be used for movement, but also for sensory input. Research shows us that when we pair a steady rhythmic beat or music with sensory input, it can stay in the body for a longer duration of time. So whether you have a child with a sensory processing disorder, sensory needs, sensory sensitivity, or just a child who is 0 to 2 in the sensory motor phase of life and learning through touch and feel, these are a great way to provide that sensory input. With the videos here for our bean bags, we'll do some dancing, but we'll also do some squishing. So it's up to your child how hard they want to squish their bean bag. And if they need guidance from you, try and give a medium amount of pressure first, and then see if you can squish a little harder to give that sensory input. Another tip when you're using the bean bags and you're doing deep pressure, try not to take the pressure away drastically. So if you're giving deep pressure on the hands, move that pressure up the arm without really taking it off too far, because it can be overwhelming to the body when that sensory pressure comes back. Now this is different if the child is controlling it. If they're controlling the deep pressure, they may be able to take it on and off at their own pace. But if you're controlling it for them and we say squish the beanbag on your hand, I would move it, squish it up to the shoulder or the neck or the head without releasing it from the body. Since these are your bean bags at home as well, you can put them on your face, near your ears or mouth. If your child is requiring or desiring deep pressure there, go for it. Squish it where it feels good for them. Just don't share these materials because obviously the germs can get stuck in them, but you can place them in the washer to clean them. So a great one for that, since these are yours at home, is some chin pressure. Can feel really good too. A lot of the kids I work with love the chin. So give it a try and see if you can put it on different parts of your face.